Assuming you're searching for axie limitlessness cost expectations estimate for 2024, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of axie boundlessness axie will go from here on out. We will dissect the previous costs of axie boundlessness axie and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master examiners. Also, anticipating something so amazing is totally unthinkable. However, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of axie boundlessness is $7.80 and axes is at present positioned #78 in the whole crypto environment. The core supply of axie limitlessness is 145, 179, 447 with a market cap of $1, 132, 697, 972. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 289% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we look at the ongoing business sector cap of the axie with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is additionally down. From most recent 7 days, the axie was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 963%. Axie vastness has shown areas of strength for exceptionally of late, and this could be decent and open door to dive right in and contribute. We anticipate future axie boundlessness cost expectations estimate by applying profound man-made consciousness help specialized investigation on the past value information of axie limitlessness. We give a valiant effort to gather greatest verifiable information for the axie coin, which incorporate various boundaries like past value, axie vastness market cap, axie limitlessness volume, and hardly any more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into computerized cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your speculations, try to peruse our expectations. Axie endlessness value forecast outline. Long-haul investigation proposes that axie limitlessness cost might actually flood to $7,709 by 2050, with an expected reach somewhere in the range of $7,308 and $8,541. Constant information shows axie limitlessness is exchanging at $7.80. Axie vastness cost conjecture proposes a chance of axie exchanging between $14.74 to $17.05 in 2025. The cost of one axie would reach as high as $106.25 by 2030. The typical extended cost for axie endlessness in 2040 is supposed to be $5,812. with possible difference somewhere in the range of $5,464 and $6,567. Axie limitlessness value expectation 2024. The cost of axie limitlessness is anticipated to reach at least worth of $1 in 2024. The axie vastness cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $11.60 with the typical exchanging cost of $10.33 all through 2024. Axie limitlessness value expectation 2025. Axie limitlessness cost is conjectured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $14.74 in 2025. According to our discoveries, the axie cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $17.5 with the typical figure cost of $15.15. Axie value gauge for 2026. According to the figure and specialized examination, in 2026 the cost of axie endlessness is supposed to reach at least value worth of $22.50. The axie cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $26.49 with the typical worth of $23.10. Axie boundlessness axie value forecast 2027. The cost of axie vastness is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $30.82 in 2027. The axie limitlessness cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $39.54 with a typical exchanging cost of $31.98 all through 2027. Axie limitlessness value forecast 2028. The cost of one axie endlessness is supposed to reach at least degree of $43.85 in 2028. The axie cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $52.72 with the typical cost of $45.13 all through 2028. Axie vastness value expectation 2029. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of axie, in 2029 the cost of axie vastness is determined to be at around a base worth of $60.82. The axie endlessness value worth can arrive at a limit of $76.72 with a typical exchanging worth of $63.8 in USD. Axie vastness axie value forecast 2030. Axie endlessness cost is figured to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $85.86 in 2030. According to our discoveries, the axie cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $106.25 with the typical estimate cost of $89.01. Axie limitlessness value gauge 2031. The cost of axie limitlessness is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $125.75 in 2031. The axie endlessness cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $152.53 with the typical cost of $129.31 all through 2031. Axie limitlessness axie value forecast 2032. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of axie, in 2032 the cost of axie limitlessness is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $192.68. The axie cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $223.31 with the typical exchanging cost of $199.14. Axie vastness value forecast 2033. According to the conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2033 the cost of axie endlessness is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $285.08. The axie cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $335.76 with the typical exchanging cost of $295.03. Axie boundlessness value conjecture 2040. The reception and genuine use instances of a digital money are similarly crucial contemplations. Projects with pragmatic applications and boundless reception are bound to persevere over the long haul. According to the axie vastness cost figure for 2040, axie is expected to arrive at a most extreme value worth of $6.567 in 2040. The base anticipated cost of axie coin in 2040 is supposed to be around $5,464, while the typical cost of the axie limitlessness for 2040 is projected to be $5,812. Axie value conjecture for 2050. Understanding business sector patterns and feelings is essential, however opinion can be flighty. Looking at current market elements can offer experiences into potential cost developments, yet taking into account the more extensive ecosystem is fundamental. In 2050, the most extreme cost of axie boundlessness is supposed to reach $8,541, with a typical exchanging worth of $7,709. The base cost is projected to be around $7,308. Axie vastness value conjecture facts. What is the fate of axie endlessness? The fate of axie limitlessness is profoundly subject to the general exhibition of the crypto business. With regards to putting resources into axie, you want to ensure that you are utilizing the right technique. This sort of speculation isn't appropriate for those with a deviated risk profile. Be that as it may, in any case, a fantastic speculation for those who have a high capacity to bear risk and a strong monetary position. Notwithstanding its speculative nature, axie likewise offers openness to a worldwide innovation and a consistently developing environment.